In this video, we're gonna explore Sarah and her daily life. And in the end, I'll teach you the words in yellow. Meet Sarah. Sarah is an introvert, which means she enjoys spending time alone or in quiet places. Her days are usually calm, and she prefers routines that allow her to recharge her energy. Let's take a look at Sarah's typical day. Sarah wakes up at 7 AM. The first thing she does is enjoy a cup of coffee while reading a book. This is her favorite part of the day because the world is still quiet. The silence gives her time to think and relax. She usually reads for about 30 minutes before starting her day. After that, Sarah does some light exercise like yoga. Yoga helps her focus and clear her mind. Since she doesn't like crowded gyms, she follows online videos and practices at home. Sarah works as a graphic designer. She works from home, which is perfect for her. She finds it easier to concentrate in her own space, where there is no noise or distractions. At 9 AM, she sits down at her desk and starts working on her projects. Throughout the day, she communicates with her team via email or messaging apps. Sarah prefers written communication because it allows her to think carefully before responding. When she has meetings, they are usually online, and she always prepares notes in advance so she doesn't feel nervous. At noon, Sarah takes a break for lunch. She usually eats a simple meal, like a salad or sandwich. After lunch, she goes for a short walk in the park. She loves walking in nature, where she can be alone with her thoughts. The quietness of the park helps her recharge before going back to work. After finishing work at 5 PM, Sarah enjoys her free time. Sometimes she plays the piano or works on a new hobby, like painting. She also likes watching movies, especially documentaries or quiet dramas. If she has to socialize, she prefers small gatherings with close friends, rather than large parties. When she does meet with her friends, they often go to a quiet cafe or have dinner at home. After a few hours of socializing, Sarah feels the need to rest, so she thanks her friends and heads home to unwind. Before bed, Sarah reads a little more or listens to calming music. She reflects on the day and feels happy that she was able to balance work, hobbies, and a bit of social time. By 10 PM, she is ready to sleep, feeling relaxed and recharged for another peaceful day ahead. Introvert. A person who prefers spending time alone or in small groups, gaining energy from solitude. Sarah is an introvert, so she enjoys quiet evenings at home. Recharge. To regain energy, especially after feeling tired. Sarah takes a walk in the park to recharge after working all day. Concentrate. To focus attention or effort on something. Sarah finds it easier to concentrate on her work in a quiet room. Socialize. To interact with others in a friendly way, usually for pleasure. Even though Sarah is an introvert, she enjoys socializing with close friends. Unwind. To relax after a period of stress or activity. After a busy day, Sarah unwinds by reading a book or listening to music. Reflect on. to think deeply about something. Before bed, Sarah likes to reflect on her day and how she spent her time. Thanks for watching. If you want to continue learning, check this video out.